This 2022 Palomino Puma 295BHSS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 34 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, spare tire kit, DVD player, auxiliary battery, LP detector, awning, TV, external shower, refrigerator, stovetop burner, microwave, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Palomino Puma 295BHSS is 8,732 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.